when he took Real Madrid as a manager, Zinedine Zidane was not experienced. Paulos Masehe, when he became a coach at Free State Stars. Lihlohonolo Siema, when he took over. Of course, now Arthur Zwane is at Mazulu. You'd say that I'm comparing Free State Stars with Amazulu. I'm talking here about Zinedine Zidane, who took over Real Madrid at some point in time. And if you want to argue that Zinedine Zidane is a team, but Bafana Bafana is a national team, we all know that Real Madrid can beat that Bafana Bafana of ours. That is not even a lie. If we can put Bafana Bafana here and put Real Madrid here, a soccer club, not a national team, they will still beat Bafana Bafana. It's not a lie. You all know that. So, while that being said, the issue of Arthur Zwane having what? Arthur Zwane is also a dreamer. There's a song that says, I know I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. Yes, I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. You probably know that song too. So there is nothing wrong about what Arthur Zwane is doing. Whether you say you laugh and say Arthur Zwane must go sit there, Arthur Zwane, he's too ambitious. Yes, he has